tonight's winner nga ma-advance siya Grand Finals which will be held dida taton Sangyawan Night on June with a score of 94%. The winner for tonight is no other than Erica May.
There you go. Labong. Congratulations to Miss Erica May Labong with an average score of 94%.
Last week, just like we always talked about, 'cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs crying 'cause you weren't around. And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me doubt. She's so much older than me, and I'm so insecure right now. Today I drove through the suburbs, 'cause how could I ever love someone else? And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in the song about me. 'Cause you said forever, no, I drive alone past your street. And all my friends are tired of hearing how much I miss you, but I kind of feel sorry for them, 'cause they'll never know you the way that I do. Yet today I drove through the suburbs and pictured I was driving home to you. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Oh, and I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in the song about me. 'Cause you said forever, no, I drive alone past your street. Red lights, stop signs, I still see your face in the white cars, drunk cars, did right past the places we used to go to. 'Cause you know I still love you, babe. Sidewalks we crossed, I still hear your voice in the traffic, and we're laughing. Oh, but I still love you, babe. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in a song about me. 'Cause you said forever, no, I drive alone past your street. Yeah, you said forever, no, I drive alone past your street.
There you go. That was Erica May Labong of
Hi,
Tanangal
Erica.
Leyte. Ayan. Kumusta naman? So pretty. Like you,
Thank you so much
ladies.
po. You're so pretty and so young. Erica, alam mo ba, may trivia. Yung nanalo last week, Erica din yung name niya.
Ay,
So
Hindi ko
baka
pa pala
it's
yung-
Sabi natin, di ba?
Well, see. Well, we don't know. Maybe it's a positive,
in God's will po
God's
sana.
will daw.
Let's see
Yes.
what will happen, right?
Yes. Pero anong title ng song mo, Erica?
The title of the song po is actually Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo.
Oh, Olivia Rodrigo. Do you know her?
No idea.
Kasi generation na namin si Olivia Rodrigo.
Anyways, yun, nabalitaan ko kasi, for your information, mga kawan, no, at si Miss Erica Labong ay sumali sa Miss Universe Kananga.
Wow, kaya naman pala. Iba yung
diba?
ganda niya. Strikingly beautiful.
Exactly.
Yes. So, is this your first time to join a singing competition? Singing contest?
Hindi po, bale pang third ko na po ito.
Yes. So, singing is your passion or ano ba?
Actually, before po nung I was still a child, like mga 7 years old, I'm actually into pageantry.
Yun, yung sinasabi ko.
Nung nag-pandemic, nag-ano na po ako, nag-change career na ako kasi, syempre, pandemic time, so like, I've tried streaming and everything. So, dun ko na-hone, kumbaga, yung talent ko. So, ayun.
Who influenced you to try singing?
Most talaga yung nakapag-influence sa akin is my family. And second,
Andito ba sila?
yes, ayun yung supportive parents ko as always.
Hello
Yun,
sa inyo.
Sa tatay tsaka nanay ko, ayun. So, yung ibang family ko, they would really love to come, but then, yun nga, malayo kasi Kananga and Ormoc. So, ayun, papunta pa dito, diba? So,
Malayo.
oo, medyo malayo, pero I'm really blessed din kasi nakasali ako dito, nakapunta ako, and another opportunity.
Ayan.
for
Kasi
me.
region-wide nga ito, di ba?
Actually, she answers like Miss,
Miss, talaga, universe
yeah.
pageantry.
Di pa pageant,
So,
yeah.
kung papiliin ka, ano mas gusto mo talaga, into singing or sa pageantry?
pwede both
mahirap
daw.
na.
Pwede
Both na lang. Okay na. Sige.
Yes.
Anyways,
All right, yes.
Alright.
We're going to ask one of the music experts here in Tacloban, and hindi lang locally pag international din to soon. Yes, Miss Meldy Lu Astilio Dimzon.
Hello, good evening, Erica.
Hello, ma'am.
I've seen this lady for quite some time na. I think this is the third contest na I'm one of the judges. Nakasali siya sa contest.
okay.
So nakita ko how she improved a lot. So sumali siya sa Kananga Idol. Sumali din siya sa Leyte Idol.
This year, right?
Yeah, this year lang. And then, ngayon.
Inita ka, Idol.
Ayan.
Yes.
So, to Erica, I've seen your stage presence very, wow, superb. Very good yung dynamics mo from the start until sa last. So, nakikita namin lahat dito kung paano mo sinoft yung voice mo from the start and then paano mo siya ibubuga pag malakas na dapat yung vocals. So, very good ka dun. And also, I appreciate your diction. Maganda talaga yung diction. And yung mga notes, flawless lahat. So, it's a spectacular performance tonight. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Ayan,
Thank you
napawaw
so much,
si Miss Meldy Lu. Ano masasabi mo sa positive comments?
Ayun, thank you so much, Ma'am Meldy Lu. You're also one of the people who inspired me na magpatuloy lang din po sa career na ganito in singing because actually music has been a part of my life ever since. So, ayun. Thank you so much po.
Ayan, parang nasa Miss Universe lang tayo, nasa pageant lang tayo.
Yes.
Anyways, maraming salamat
Amazing.
po.
Thank you. And
Erica
sabi ni Miss
May
Meldy Lu,
Labong
she
all the way
did great.
from
All right.
Kananga, Leyte.